Hi and welcome to this new episode. I'm going to be showing you how to insert a combined footing. All you need is just to select the two columns. That's for your pile cap. Okay, to insert a combined pile cap, all you need to select two columns, right click and click on insert combine pile cap, or you can come here and click this one here. Okay, once you click on that, a new menu like this pops up. So it's the same thing basically what we did before, and it tells you design successful. So all of those information which we typed in are basically all you need to type in here. Once you insert all of those information, one of the most sensitive information you need to take note of is under this your rebar. You can see your base, your top and your side. Okay, so all you need, because this is a combined footing, it has to be top and bottom. It has to be doubly reinforced. Okay, all right. So I will see you in the next episode. You can see that has been inserted. Okay, amazing, right?